How would you want to simply click a few buttons and begin receiving $5, $10, or even $20 in your wallet or account? You see, we always look down on the tiny numbers, like $5 is such a small sum of money, right? But not for this one-of-a-kind website, which I'm about to show you in this video. While you are being just paid $10 or $20, try to look at it this way. Stacking those tens and twenties of dollars of payments, and they might easily add up to enormous figures like $200 or $300 every single day, which you can then promptly cash out using several payment options like PayPal, bank transfer, and many more. This website is completely free and no investment is required. Also, they are currently open and out to a diverse selection of countries, and I'm excited to share this chance with you and to provide you with a few bonus suggestions that will double or even triple your earnings with only a few mouse clicks. So make sure to stay tuned in and watch until the end of the video. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below, guys. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is go to this website called enrollapp.com right now. When you visit this website, you will see that it strives to make the internet a better place. This is a completely legit company that is now highly prominent in the industry, and it gives you and me the ability to work from home with no experience or technical knowledge. The first step is to create your own account. Simply enter your email address and create your own password before clicking on the Enroll Now button. Once you've finished making your own account, simply go to the website and then sign in. There are a few other things I want you to do when you log into your account. The first step is for you to check your email box and activate your account by clicking on the verification link in your inbox. You will view your dashboard after logging into your account, and as you can see here, there is a progress meter for the mission right here. So for the time being, my mission program is 1%. This is Tiny Cow right here. We'll start from the left and work our way to the right as they progress and complete more projects and objectives. The great part is that I can win additional cash prizes and bonus money. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel. In this video, I will teach you a couple of things that will help you make double or even triple the money that you're gonna be earning in this website by using a small secret trick that I discovered myself while working on this website. So make sure you keep watching and don't miss any of the steps. The first thing you'll notice on your dashboard is that if you scroll down below, you'll see Paul's name and number indicating how many poll questions you've answered. Poll questions, for example, are questions in which you must select only one answer from the options provided. In this instant, you must respond with a yes or no. For example, if I click yes, you can see how you fared. And what about the poll's result? What percentage of people clicked yes or no? All you have to do is answer this question. All you have to do now is click continue, and after that, you'll be asked another question. And you can see in the upper left corner of the question a number indicating how many calls you have to answer so far. It is critical that you answer these poll questions if you want to make money online. And the more questions you answer, the more points you can earn. And you may get bonus money by going all the way from here to here. Also, the more poll questions you answer, the better. It makes it easier for this website to match you with the best appropriate projects based on your demographics and hobbies, which means you'll get more missions and make more money. The points that you have are visible in the upper right corner of the screen. No, I just have a few points in my account right now because it's a fresh one I made for demo purposes. If you follow what I've explained so far, you can create your own account, get far more points than me, and earn increasingly more money simply by answering questions. You can repeat the process as many times as you like just by clicking yes or no and then continuing. So in just a moment, let me show you all of the poll questions you've answered. Click on the poll questions tab if you go to the upper right corner of the screen and select this drop-down option on your profile. When you open it, you'll see all of the questions as well as your responses to them. The more questions you answer, like I said before, the more polls you conduct and the more money you will make. And before I forget, you can do this on your phone or computer, and it works globally. So let's get to the next step of the video. When you click on the Achievement tab in the upper left corner, you can monitor your progress on your dashboard. You may check your badges and overall number of points here, as well as your current tasks. This is my first mission, as you can see. Welcome to Earth's first mission. So right now, I want you to follow the instructions to take the test. Answer the poll question and stay active, which means you must log into your account every day. So if you want to earn extra bonus points and money for 30 days in a row, in just 5 minutes a day, simply go ahead and answer the poll question right now, and then eventually you'll be able to complete a task as shown by this small green dot right here. This is the taskbar for my mission. So if I keep doing the same thing, if I keep taking polls, I'll be able to proceed from left to right and finish my mission. Under this bar are all of the badges that you may get. And the more badges you get, the more points and bonus money you can make on this website. Here is one more highly crucial thing that you must configure if you want to make 3 times as much money. So pay great attention, so click on the drop menu right on the upper right side of your screen, and you'll get to this page where you can see here Test Preferences. Let's make sure that all of your profile settings are up to date and all of your poll replies for the questions will be kept private and confidential, so don't worry. Right here on the devices that you may test on, I want you to select all 3 of them. I'd like you to click on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. I want you to choose on all of these different devices because the more devices you select, the more tasks you can do and the more polls you can respond to. That means more money for you. And for the test availability, when is the optimum time for you to receive the test? I want you to pick Send Me Tests as soon as possible, since when you choose these settings, they'll send you more tests inside your account. Also, check the box that says Send me an email when I qualify for a test right here. You may also enter your phone number so that they can give you an SMS notification whenever a new test is available for you. So I strongly recommend that you do all of these parameters listed below in order to earn the greatest money you can on this website. And to summarize all of this, all you have to do on this website is answer yes or no questions and fulfill your assignments. Remember to check in on your points, badges, and progress meter on a regular daily basis, and remember that the more questions you answer, the more likely that it is you will complete your tasks and reach the end of your progress meter. And remember to follow these measures on a daily basis and watch as you earn hundreds of dollars each day or month simply by answering questions from the convenience of your phone, your laptop, or your tablet. And that's all there is to it. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated whenever we upload a new video, which is daily. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Take care.